nobody really wants to do a press conference in these circumstances. You know, who wants to do a press conference that talk about the fact that people have lost their children because of negligence in our country? It doesn't feel good. It doesn't make us want to, it makes us angry, actually, in Jamaica. You know, and I just want to say to the mothers, to the fathers who have lost their babies in this outbreak, please accept my heartfelt condolences. It is a difficult time, but we will make sure that this is not in vain, that the loss of your child will cause a difference in our country. You know, we are talking about babies that were named by their parents, who had a village preparing to receive them, and they died because a bacteria was spreading in a hospital. And the nurses and the doctors found out, and they told the minister. And this information was not shared with other parents, so they could make an informed choice as to which hospital to give birth. You know, who knows how many babies' deaths could have been prevented if they had the information. The minister made no arrangements for a private public partnership to say, this hospital is currently having an outbreak. Can you take these patients until we solve the problem in this hospital? You know, the truth is, babies died, mothers cried, fathers cried. Tufton decided to hide, and Tufton did nothing. There must be action. There must be accountability in this respect. It can't continue like this. And I want to raise the issue that an article came out about a baby dying from gastroenteritis at Cornwall Regional Hospital, a toddler. I spoke to the mother this morning. 3 hours they were at the Cornwall Regional Hospital in the middle of the night, trying to get attention. We are aware of this outbreak, but there is no special triage for children in our hospitals. And so they have to line up behind everybody, behind gunshot wound, behind everybody before they get attention. And at the end of the 3 hours, when they were finally trying to put the drip in the baby's hand, the child died in his father's arms. That mother asked me this morning to make sure that that death was not in vain. And as a People's National Party, we want to make sure that we have a government that cares, a government that acts on behalf of people, a government that protects the people of our country. And again, I say, babies died, mothers cried, fathers cried. Tufton decided to hide. Thank you.